Okay, in this video we're going to go over editing menus in the site. Alright, so first thing we want to do, of course, is make sure we're logged in. And then if we go to Appearance, and we'll find Menus, click that. And then what we're going to see is a few different things, but first what I want to point out is which menu you're editing, and you can see that right here. It says Select a menu to edit. And this is what's loaded up at this time. Yours might show something different. And if you need to change it, you just click this and then choose the one you want to work with. You know, doctors, quick links, whatever. But this is the one I want to work with for this particular video. So this is the one we have loaded up. And if we look over here under the menu structure section, these are all the links that we have on the main menu bar. So we'll see the parent items such as home, doctors, our practice, patient info, and etc. And then what I call the child of each parent one, or the children, will be in the drop down here. Okay, and this is represented in the menu structure by the indentation. So everything that's flush left is the main, is the parent, the main item. So home, doctors, our practice, patient info, etc. You can see because it's flush left. Anything that's indented under that particular one will be in the drop down. So for instance, doctors, we have these listed on here, you know, the doctors, of course. If I roll over that item, we'll see those. Okay, and then those can be reordered. They can be moved by simply dragging and dropping. So for instance, maybe I want Dr. Sheets to be first. I'll just move him up. Maybe I want Lost to be at the bottom. I'll move her down, etc. and etc. And once you're set with your adjustments, you just click Save on the Save menu over here. If you need to add something, you could add menu items from over in this section. So it's easiest if you just do View All. So this will have all your pages that are made on the back end. These are every single page there is. Okay, and then we have things such as posts, doctors, and services. So for instance, doctors, if I expand that, I'll see the doctors there. We can add those. All right. Next is we can do edits. So right now this says doctors, but you know, maybe you want it to say our doctors. So I would just type that in, and then I would save it. Just do a real quick check. And then there you have it, our doctors. So for the most part, working with menus is really easy. If you want to create a menu, I think, what is it? It's under the doctors section, I believe. There's a menu. Yeah, right. Here's a menu in the sidebar. So let's say you want to create one for another sidebar. It's real easy. You can just click this Create a New Menu link. Type what you want in here, and then hit Create Menu. And then if you need to build one, you would add menu items to that by dragging and dropping and arranging. And then basically to add that menu like this is here in the sidebar, you'd have to set a widget for that, and I'm going to actually do a separate video going over the sidebar, so that's, you know, so you can understand that a little bit better. Okay, that's it for the menus.